Delta State Governor Sheriff Oborivwori imposes dress code on civil servants, bans braided hair, artificial nails, and others. What is going on, Oborivwori? You know, in Delta State, I think the major problem we have is insecurity. Apart from insecurity, we don't have other problem in Delta State. And I think what the governor is supposed to be talking about is worry support, how to make worry support functional. I think what he's supposed to be talking about is to increase the effort of the people who are curbing the insecurity challenges we have in Delta State. And I don't really know why Sheriff Oborivwori is trying to take this part. Yeah, I don't know. Why is he trying? What concerns the development of a state with nails, with artificial hair, braided hair? Don't wear this type of dress. Don't wear short knicker. Don't wear short trouser. When you wear clothes, make sure that they are not seeing, your chest, only your neck. Will that bring changes to Delta State? Are you sure that this will not violate, people's fundamental human right, that they don't have right to fix the nail that they want to use? Women are fond of doing that. How does it stop, the progress of Delta State? The ghost workers we have in Delta State, 2024 budget, I saw so many, so many things they projected. They are ghost budget, they never existed. One of them, I saw it 3 billion. And if any further statement, I will publish it in the budget there. I saw a road. That road does not exist in Delta State. It was budgeted 3 billion naira. I saw it in the 2024 budget. I have the copy. I have gone through it. I'm not talking about what they are buying every year. Like some computers in some offices, every year they are buying it. They can't explain why they keep on buying computer and chairs in one office every blessed year. These are the issues that we are supposed to be talking about. These are the issues that are supposed to bother people. But here is our governor trying to ban braided hair, not trying to ban braided hair, artificial nails, and others. I was expecting Oborivwori, Delta State is a rich state, to put your, salary, minimum wage, 120,000, 150,000. Let people enjoy. These are the things we were expecting from you, not this. Now, Oborivwori's decision have made some people to begin to speculate. Some people say that, since Oborivwori joined APC, he has been running up and down, trying to look for people that will help his second term agenda. And he's now doing everything necessary just to gain the favor of the powers that be. Oborivwori, people are thinking that you are swinging to Sharia law in that. Yes, you are not in every WhatsApp group. Your people are not in every WhatsApp group. You don't know what people are saying. This is what people are believing. That you want to bring Sharia law in Delta State. You want to do so many things to please people that will help your second term agenda. Is that true, Oborivwori? If that is true, don't make such mistake. Because you remember what happened in 2023? Even when our incumbent governor then, Dr. Ifeanyi Okowa, was the PDP vice presidential candidate to Atiku Abubakar, you people still lost Delta State. You people could not win Delta State. So if you are doing anything to please people, that will not guarantee you victory at the grassroots. By the way, the things you are doing now is already taking people's mind out of your doings. Delta State is a very state. We are not seeing it. We are not seeing it. In fact, during the last administration, if I go to hospital, government hospitals, we don't used to pay more. Children's drugs and all those things, sometimes they give it free. But so many things does not exist now. People are paying heavily. In the hospital. Delta State institutions, their school fees, like people who are studying radiography, they are paying as far as 500,000 naira. So if a civil servant is training his or her daughter in higher institution, because her daughter is studying radiography or medicine or nursing or pharmacy, the person has to use his 6 months salary to pay school fees for 1 year, not accommodation. What kind of government are you people running? Delta State school, is it not supposed to be free for indigenes amidst the oil money that is coming? Delta State is supposed to be free for our people. Supposed to be free. By the way, right from time it has been like this. I could remember that I repeated 100 level when I entered higher institution. Why? Because I could not meet up in paying my school fees because I was training myself. I could not meet up after being acceptance fee. I rented the house. I thought maybe I could just meet up before I started to pay school fees. I could not. For you to understand how things was very hard then. So what happened? I was prevented not to write the exam in my state, in the state institution. These are the rascality going on in the state, and people think it is normal. This is abnormal. It's not normal. It's not normal. So, Oborivwori, I don't know what you are doing actually by saying that people should not put on this one. You are restricting it to the civil servant, right? You are restricting it to the civil servant. You know how many civil servants are in Delta State, right? And how will they feel? Anyway, let's understand this in details with this article from Sharia reporters that raised that Lieutenant Governor Oborivwori imposes dress code on civil servants, bans braided hair, artificial nails, others. And this is the details of the article. It says that the Governor Sheriff Oborivwori-led Delta State government has imposed a revised dress code on civil servants in the state, making the wearing of complete suits compulsory for both male and female workers. Compulsory suit with how much minimum wage? Are you buying the suit for them? See this governor. Are you buying the suits for them? I don't understand. All right. According to a circular released by the governor's new media office, the directive also bans braided or tinted hair along eyelashes and artificial nail for female employees, while the male officers are prohibited from keeping what was described as bushy beards and wearing resource control and purpose caps. Eyelashes and all those things are the things that you can't take away from women now. Come on. All those things are the things that make the women happy when their salary has not come. Anyway, the second has stated in an effort to address the unpleasant practice of improper dressing that has become commonplace in the state public service, it is instructive to announce a review of the existing dress code contained in circular letter number HOS 151374 of the 12 March 2009, for the purpose of upholding decency in the appearance of public servants across the state. Actually, if they want decency in Delta State, the decency should start from the budget padding. They should stop padding up budgets, putting cost things that does not exist in the budget. So I am not laying an allegation. I am talking about what I saw in the budget. Some roles that never existed that they budgeted for. Okay, that is where the sanity should start from. The sanity should start from those workers who never existed, but people are receiving their salary. That is where the sanity should start from. The sanity should start from the roles they are dying this year. The next year it will wash away. There should be a guarantee for roles dying. At least leadership should come in place. These are the things people are expecting, not all these distractions. Now, it says it is also very important to underscore the vital role expected of senior public servant in revising the said anomaly through leading examples of appropriate dressing culture and demonstrate decorum to guide and correct subordinates. And whenever lapses are observed, sanctions may be invoked towards checkmating the ugly trend based on the Public Service Rule number 04314, which states, inter alia, no officer shall appear in the office or anywhere in the official capacity attire in a manner deemed inappropriate or immodest. The governor said that the directive is in cognizance of the state's diverse cultural background. The article continues, but it's voluminous. Let me stop here. The truth of the matter is that such a thing is not going to work. It's not going to work. That is not the focus of Oborivwori. Let's not just bring distraction. If you want to do something, governments, you can't predict governments. If government want to do something, they will bring distraction so that the people will not pay attention to what that matters, and they are going to start doing what they are doing. Anyway, we are keeping on and on watching what is happening. And the last thing I want to say is that there is this city, this community that the military invaded some time ago. We saw the lackadaisical attitude of Sheriff Oborivwori then. He didn't help the community as much. The military even arrested their king, do all those things. Up till now, the community has not been reviewed. What do? They are not the ones that killed the military officers. Where is the investigation? Nothing. Nobody's talking. Oborivwori, show capacity. Show capacity. Don't think that the incumbent governor cannot be removed from office. Don't think that. Don't let people deceive you. Now is not before. Money don't talk now. I mean, money does not talk now. So just be very careful. That is my candid advice. I'm Okochapi myself, a conflict reporter. Let me know what you think about this.